Pozdrav ćebe i pozdrav gamer, dobrodošli u novi klip na mom kanalu. Danas imamo Far Cry 3, tako da, ajde krenemo. Ovo neće bude običan serijal, jer ću ove epizode što budem izbacivao, neću da odjavljujem. Znači, imat ću još dugo, ali to će bude drugi videi. Vidjet ćete. Ne znam kako da vam kažem. Možda bude nekad fail ovo, ali izvinite. Nisam želeo ono na početku da gledate, jer mnogo vremena oduzima. Mnogo vremena. Stvarno puno vremena oduzima.
Shit! Dogs! Hold on, stop.
Vjerojatno svi znate Far Cry 3.
What is that dog going off about? He's like you, full of shit.
Stay quiet.
Ja čekam.
If you're going to give me that kind of food, expect what's coming back at you.
Oh, God.
Sad ćemo ovo oduzmemo.
Grab our stuff and the map. Pick up that phone, too.
Reporting in. Hey, who's on?
Keep moving.
To. Zanimljiva je igrica. Mogu da igram četvorku, ali ne mogu da snimam, tako da.
Damn, we need to get him out of our way. Throw a rock over there. Hi. Okay.
Ajde, kreći.
Let's move. Okay. Good.
To. Padaj. To.
Who's that?
Oh, shit, Chris.
What the fuck?
Ode.
Holy shit. Oh, God. I can't do this, Grant. Jay, look at me. I can't find Lisa and Riley and the others without you. So pull it together. Okay? Okay. I'm sorry.
Recite mi da nastavimo ovaj serijal. Dobra igrica. Stvarno.
Oh my God, there's so many of them, man. Psycho.
So there we were, sitting around waiting for him to come in the room. And before you know it, he had two others with him. We sat with
Quick.
Snimat ću ja dosta igrica, samo nemam vremena. Tako ću snimati da sam Minecraft i ovo. Možda tu bude neka sporedna igrica, ali...
We have to get past him. Throw a rock there.
Vidjet ćemo se.
When you have that gun, you get someone's head, and then they will know that you are a very serious person. And when they come correct, then you will see.
What the?
Ja mi nisam pogodio.
Let's go. Okay.
Ajde.
If you're going to give me that kind of food, expect me.
Where are we? It's our way out.
Samo razgovor s njim da smanjim igricu. Nema to nigde uopće.
In here.
Someone just fucking shoot. I'm not afraid. No, please.
Znam sve što će se izdešava, tako da...
I'm not afraid. No, please.
Neću da ovo preskačem, samo gledam sve. Neki čak ne mogu da se preskoče.
Never should have made that jump alone. I promised Dad I'd take care of you two.
Does it say where Riley is?
We're gonna find him. We're gonna free the others, and then we're going home.
O!
No! Stay with me, Grant! Please, don't die! Hold on, Grant, hold on! Oh, God. No, no, no!
Such
Grant! Grant!
I like that. No, I respect that. I'm gonna give you 30 seconds. And if the jungle doesn't eat you up alive, I will. Fucking death! I said, get the fuck out of here, you chicken fuck! Run, Forrest! Run!
bene.
Run, Forrest! Run!
To czymś jest znaki. O ne. O zamknij. Fine.
I see him! He's dead!
I gotta get out of here.
Sam you medę.
Fuck! Come on, climb! Climb!
Ovo je malo nerealna igrica.
I have to find Riley and the others.
Ovakvim metkovima, ali ništa.
I have to be alive.
Trenutno nemam help, tako da ne mogu da mu ubiju. Stop it! Krč. Hađe da nas spasi ovaj. I tek sad počinje prava igra. Znači, ono je samo bio tutorial kako šta ide, znači kako skačemo sve. Autora zna sve. To znao i pre, ali
Speaks through the warrior.
to je ono skoro svakoj igrici.
The path leads to the heart of the jungle. Follow the path.
Predložite mi neku igricu koju volite da snimam. Koju bi želio da snimam. A da može da stane u 15 minuta. Ne cijela, nego
Where am I?
do nekako. Snimat ću Zulu.
You are awake. Well, not all of you. The arm has been deadened to allow for the Tatau. It is brave to swim a storm, but to sunbathe on a beach with pirates, insanity. You have the right to take my life. But no,
On će nam
I will also
pomogne
take
da
yours.
osvetimo brata, ne znam šta ću, ne, prijatelj.
I am Dennis.
Jason.
Da sam zadovoljan kako mi stoji kanal.
Lava, lava.
Taj videa, to je
The heron, the shark, and
toliko
the spider.
pregleda, to je
I
dobro.
know who you are, Jason. You are a warrior. And the Tatao will allow for you to reveal your true self.
Listen, my older brother has been killed. I need to find my younger brother and 4 other friends.
Come with me.
Ubio su mu brata i prijatelji neki.
So you'll help me?
No, you can only help yourself. I'm going to free you.
Ne znam šta sada pričam, čutim samo dok pričaju oni.
I found you on the beach. Welcome to Amanaki village. It is something, isn't it, huh? Delamat Tengahari. I have Jason Brody with me, the man who escaped Vast Camp alive. Your escape is a sign that the battle has turned. Our people are in need of good news.
So, these are your people?
The island calls to the strongest. They called to me. The island dwellers, the Rakyat, accepted. And I became a member of their tribe.
Sad ćemo kupimo oružje.
They are something, aren't they?
Beautiful, most definitely.
I could have anyone I choose. But my will is set on one woman. Here, cash for weapons.
Oh,
You want to save your brother, right?
I've never shot anyone before.
Ne znam, ja
What
pucam.
did they say in America? There's a first time for everything.
Čuvam sad ima jednu periodiku samo. To. A, uzet ćemo to. Što? To jedino možemo da kupimo. To.
Those radio towers online. If you
Okay.
doubt, I can't get new stock.
Follow me, my
from
friend.
remote villages. And trust me, they
Ecco
got
da
some
pratica,
top-notch
no?
gear you're gonna want.
Power comes from the jungle, from the island.
Pa ja sad više
We
neće
must
bude
learn the
muzike
terrain.
toliko.
Nowhere to stand at all
Pa ćete
times.
da me
Vass
čuvate.
uses the towers to map the island and to locate his men. Scramblers block access. Our people have no use for devices
Mnogo je
such as
duga ova
these.
igrica Far Cry.
But you
Duge
will learn
misije ima.
valuable information from them.
Ove
Yes,
prve nisu
the
tako.
scramblers are at the top. Each tower covers a limited area. Climb them all and you will reveal the entire map.
Ono je rekao da neki tauve, da nešto radim sa nekim toranjem. Tako sam razumeo. Tauve. Što je tauve? Da li želite da skupljam stavno ovo ili nećete? Ali ovo ću da skupljam, da treba mi metkovi. Imam samo malo metkova. Ima ovdje još jedan, kako ja znam. Možda ću kupiti mapu. Ne vez. Jel? Ne vez. Idemo mi gore. Polako, ali sigurno. Šta je ovo? Paje nam uvek trebaju. Pa ćemo trebati da kupujemo puške. A ja planiram da kupim kalaš, tako da treba će mi para dosta. Stvarno lepa
That
grafika,
must be the
jako je na
radio
low.
tower.
Ne, na medium. Medium low, tu je.